we will be moving with the next topic, making text bold, italic, or underlined. Text can be made to draw attention by making it bold, italic, or underlined. Bold text appears darker than normal text. Italicized text appears slanted. Underlined text has a line below it. To make the text bold, italic, or underlined, follow the steps. The first step will be, as always, select the text. The second will be, from the formatting toolbar, click on bold button to make the text bold. Click on italic button to make the text italic, and click on the underline button to make the text underlined. Let's do that. So let's say we have a paragraph written here. I'll just make it to the normal size. And I pasted the thing. Now, as you can see, a paragraph has been written in your screen. So let's say I have to make this first line bold. So I have to select the complete first line, and here it is bold. So when I'll click on it, you will see that it will become more darker, more bold in size with the comparison with the other text. Look, it has become bold, darker in comparison to the other text. So this is bold. Similarly, I am making it italics. In italics, it will be little bit slanted. As you can see, it has been little bit slanted now. Look, the cursor is also being little bit slanted. So this is your italics mode. And if I want to underline, I have to again select it. And this is the underline part. Click on it. And as you can see, a complete line is drawn for the selected text. So this is your bold, in which you have made the font or the characters little bit darker in comparison. It will attract the attention of the reader, which tells you that either this is being some important part or being stressed up, have some importance. That's why it is being mentioned in bold. This is your italics, in which the letters are little bit slanted towards the right side. And this is your underline mode, in which a line is being drawn under the complete sentence. Now the next topic, that is using format paintbrush. As I have told you that many times, whatever changes or whatever application we are applying need to be applied on every other part. So let's say I'll just give you an example. I wrote apple here. Okay, now if I give you some information, this letter apple is in font Cambria. The font size is 36. Okay, and here I write now, as you can see, both are of same font. Okay, so I'm applying some changes. Let's say for the first word, I change the font to Times New Roman, and I change its size to, let's say, 48, and similarly I change the color of this font to red. So what I have done, I have changed the font, I have changed the font size, changed the font color, and if you want, let's say, I'll make it bold also. So I have done 4 formatting changes on it. First is your font name, font size, font color, and bold. Now what happens if I have to apply all these 4 changes on this word also? I have to do it again. That is, I have to select them, change the font style, change the font type, change the font color, change bold, or I have option which is known as your format painter or format paintbrush. What happens? The format paintbrush copies all the formatting style and apply it on the next word as it is. So all the 4 changes, like the font style, font type, color, and bold, which we have applied on the first letter, will be copied to the second one. We don't require to separately do one by one. All these changes which we have done on the first word will be applied on that. So first what we have to do, we have to select the first word whose formatting style has to be applied. So let's say I selected apple, on which the color is red, font style is Times New Roman, the size is 48, and it is bold. Click on format painter. All the style has been copied. Now as you can see, it has become a paintbrush like sign. Now on the word on which we have to apply this format, go to that word, click on it, and as you can see, that word has changed, and all the formatting step which was applied on the first word is truly copied on the second word. This is format painter. In format painter, what happens? The formatting style what we have applied on a word can be copied all together and will be applied on the other word, text, line, or paragraph as it is. There are some shortcuts for making the letters bold, italic, or underline. That is, CTRL plus B, Control plus V will make the text bold, Control plus I to make the text italic, and Control plus U will make the text underline. These are keyboard shortcuts for bold, italics, and underline sentences. So how we do this? I have just elaborated the same thing. Like here it was save water and save water. All the formatting steps which is being applied on this is copied on this, and look, now both the words become same in color, font, style, everything. Select the text that has to format you wish to copy. Click on the Format Paintbrush button on the standard toolbar. Now select the text to which you wish to apply the formatting. The format gets applied to the new text. Okay students, we will be winding up today's session. The upcoming topics or the next part of this topic will be covered in your next class. For today, thank you.